Hello to you and thank you for watching. Okay, I think you will see what a mess is going on here. But in the same way, it's a mess. I'm actually quite excited because I've got a few ideas here. That's why everything is lying around here. Um, it's actually a thing of I bought this little packets like this that now for Barbie's shoes. That's got Barbie shoes. Well, it's not the real Barbie shoes, but like fashion doll shoes in it. And then most of the shoes fit the mum, so it's in the mum's cupboard. But some of them were too small. They didn't fit. Okay, there was one pair for the dad, but it fits the dad as well, so it's in his cupboard. But some of the shoes were actually too small, so I couldn't use it because, like for instance, little Stacy here got flat feet, so that's why I thought I couldn't use the shoes for her as well. But now after I made this cute little shoes for her, I was excited. I want to try more, and I went and looked for the shoes, and I fitted them, and then actually it fits. It's quite a snuggle, quite nice fit because the foot is flexible, so it doesn't matter if it's flat feet. It's this high heel shoes fits her. So yeah, I'm actually quite impressed with that. So that's why all this stuff is lying around here, because with the shoes here, I don't want, I mean, two pairs of the same shoes. I don't want that. It must be different pairs of shoes. So I'm going to change some of the shoes. I'm going to change to something else to make it look different. And so yeah, that's where all the stuff is lying here, and just for all the ideas that I've got, and I'm going to try now and do that for the shoes. Like for instance, this shoes. Okay, these shoes, the red ones also fit her, so I'm gonna keep one red pair and gonna change the other one. This was the ballet shoes that I borrowed from mum for her, but this is actually too big for her, so I'm not even going to use that. I think I'm not going. Maybe I will see, because I don't want to keep ballet shoes. So yeah, I will see if I can do something with this. Otherwise, I can do something with that for the mum, maybe, because it came from the mum. And this little one's feet doesn't fit in, doesn't want to go in. So, but I've got an idea here what I'm going to try and do with the shoes then. So yeah, I'm not going to explain too much. I'm just going to, well, time lapse, and then you will see what I'm doing with the shoes and how I'm going to change it. And if it works well, it will be obvious is in the video. If it doesn't work, I will cut it out, so you won't even know. No, I will tell you afterwards. I've tried something and it didn't work. So yeah, then in that case, let's get started. Made it first with the UV light method. I will show it you, and I will put the link here in the description of her eye tag here for you. And then this is the shoes that I told you that is was too small for the mum, but it actually fits perfect for this one. I didn't do anything to the shoes here because it fits her and it's a nice color, and yeah, it even fits by a little shirt. So yeah, this is okay. So yeah, and then this one's here that I just put some with a gold cokey, just made a few changes. This is not just one color or what, but yeah, this also fits for her. I didn't change anything except for a little bit of color. So yeah, this also I think looks quite cute. Just cutex just to change the colors. Sometimes I wonder if I must cut a strap in the back, but yeah, okay, to struggle a bit. This is also quite cute. It fits also well, and the color change made it totally different. So yeah, this is also quite cute. In this one that I made silver. This is the same as the shoes here, but I also just used cutex to change the colors a bit. So let's see if that worked. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's also quite nice. No, so yeah, it's not, I say, too bad. And then this I actually didn't come out quite the way I wanted. It wasn't a total failure. I got it more shorter and cutex, so it fits, and it's, but I thought on the front just let it so it can look like a V, but yeah, I didn't want to work out that way. So yeah, it's yeah, it's okay. Maybe I must more maybe make those ribbons just blue, so it's just all the same color. I think I must rather do that. I've got a blue cokey here. Let me see. Let me see somewhere. It's not the same blue, but the white just stand out too much. Yeah, it already looks better with the blue. I think that's much better actually. So now, yeah, now I feel better about the shoes. So, yeah, that now. A bit of. So, okay, yeah, now it doesn't look so bad anymore. So now she's got the shoes. And then, okay, the total failures. I thought it was going to work, but yeah, it did not. First, I tried, this one worked out. I tried also to leave it like long and then do a ribbon around it. But then this one totally, it's broken everywhere there. So yeah, I just didn't want to work out like that. So this is a total failure. And then I thought to myself, okay, if I cut it open, then the feet will maybe go more in and I can just use for the back side to make some sneakers. But then, yeah, that also didn't work out because it's too narrow on the inside. Her foot is too wide, so it just won't go in properly. So yeah, this shoe is a total failure. That won't work. And then yeah, this shoes that she actually borrowed from my mom's. It's just too big and fit for the mum, so I will rather do something for the mum with that. So that was my failures, but yeah, at least she's got now how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of shoes already. So I just really would like to make some tackies or sneakers, but I think I'm gonna do that on the same way I did for the little boy. So yeah, I think that's enough for now. I like this green, it fits nice by this skirt she's got on, and then of course with the little green inner shirt. This was one of mom's skirts, but it actually fits her much better than it did for mom. So nice, and there she is, quite the cutie pie with her high heel shoes. So yeah, hope you enjoy this, and then until next time, bye.